Yes, sir. Boys came in clutch.
Might as well let me get out of the way. We'll just flip this forward.
Brandon the roofer.
Yeah, this forward.
Motherfucker was up on top of this thing, running around like nothing. Yeah.
On the bucket.
Got the first one built. Foot and a half added. Foot and a half added. Time to put them bitches in the arches and see if they go.
The hardest part was like Tanner was saying, was figuring out how he was going to conjoin this motherfucker together. That's the foreman. Figuring it out. I'm just on site, man.
It's getting there.
Here to help.
Yes, sir.
So we're about to stand one of these things up, man. See what it's looking like.
Got one arch built. Got our foot and a half attachment. The screws are on the back side. Boy, we're getting there, sons. Vision's coming together. Got to cut that off. That's the 40 foot. That's the last 10. I've added it's 15 foot. Got one more built. About to build this one. So that's 3. Then I got to get some more built. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7. I've already got 3, so I only need 4 more. Yes, sir. It's coming together. Then once I get all of it built, I'm gonna have to lag that side down, push this side into the line. Yes, sir. I'm gonna do away with these inside poles and do a lean-to off this side. What'd you say, Devin?
Tell me how you really feel.
No, you're making fun of me for documenting.
Hey, check them out. You got bare bones to a shop, my guy.
All of them lag down. About to bolt them right here on the bottoms. And I'll probably put, oh, that's nice, Trump, thanks. I'll probably put a piece of tin just starting the wall. So hold them together. But yes, sir. Clears the shop or the lift by a lot. Hook me up. Dustin, Blake, and Devo. What'd you say?
Work, motherfucker.
I ain't going nowhere. Got all the 2x4s for the roof. I got all the 6x6 posts. I've got the 2x10s for the header. And I got the hangers. Not the hangers, the concrete posts. So now I just got to get all this shit up, get some tin, and get the hangers for the rafters or whatever. But we're coming along. 20 pieces, 8 foot, 30 foot of ridge cap, 12 foot of starlight or skylight. Cut that up and make me have some natural light, boy. Oh shit, it's getting real. Yes, sir. Get the ridge cap. Yeah. 10. I'm gonna have me some natural light in my shop. Look at these crazy dogs. What are you doing, you crazy dog? I don't know where the other one's at. Oh, there he is. Yes, sir. That's what I gotta do. Pre-drill the wood, run the self-tapper in. Let's see. Holds me. No, just got to do that up there. I was just testing it down here. Pouring down rain. But we're up here, boys. Ooh, Motherfucker's a little crooked that way. That was the one that was bent. Drove her straight off the back. Time to go down. Whoa. Up here with my umbrella. They're all pretty straight other than that one that's bent like a motherfucker. Yeah, you'll have that on these big jobs. Yes, sir, in the rain. Was gonna butt them up, but people say you run them staggered, it's more strength. So, yes, sir. Get those 3 done if it ever quits raining, or do it tomorrow. We're coming together. Rented me a scissor lift so I can do this by myself. Got the purlins up. Got 3 left. Some people said to run them straight together. Some people told me this made them stronger. I took all this down because a tree fell on it. Sorry. So it's not gonna be perfect, but purlin's going up. 10's coming up next. Yes, sir. Nothing to it but to do it. 10's going on today. Got my purlins put on. Yes, sir. That's a cooked goose. This shit ain't all perfect, but all of them are on. Time to start laying some 10. I got to get another 2x4 and put it off the edges and run a straight line. That's how I'm going to try to keep my 10 straight. We're going to see. I ain't never done this shit before. Didn't know if I needed to have a piece here and here to screw to. But how they did my roof over there, the last like 2 foot ain't screwed to nothing than just the ridge cap. So we'll see. I'm going to come in. Oh, might come and put a bar or something from here to here, like tie it in that way. Oh, got man Dustin coming to help. Yes, sir. What was that statement you made, Blake?
Like we know what we're doing.
No, the one before that.
The scariest part is that some people think that we know what we're doing.
Oh, shit. Just coming along. Shit, boys. And like that, we got us a roof. Gonna put the 2x10 here, do a lean-to off. We'll slide the other 10 under there. Oh, this side, once we put the 10 up, water will shut off. Yes, sir. Get the lean-to over here, get it closed in, get these poles going. But for now, we out of the weather. That's a wrap, folks. We got our window. Yeah. Roof. That I'm gonna put a board across there. Get me a lean-to going, so I ain't closing this side in. Gotta close this in. Give me a garage door here. Close that wall in, that back wall. But for now, I got a roof out of the rain, boys. Got the scissor lift loaded back up too. Yes, sir. Dustin's the foreman.
No, man, we got some shit done.
This is the old 10. I'm gonna do a lean-to off this way, move these trees. That's gonna be an open lean-to. That side starts out as lean-to, but it's gonna get closed in. Garage door, garage door. Garage door in the back so you can drive through, pull something on the lift. It's coming together. Yes, sir. Got the overhang. Over here, we got enough overhang. The other 10, I'm gonna run underneath there, so that'll be good. That straight line. Yeah, we act like we're roofers or something. Look at that. You'd think we're roofers or something. Look at that straight line.
Shit, can't tell us nothing.
Blake said the scary thing is somebody gonna think we're professionals.
Look, what we're doing.
Yes, sir. I'm out here sweating my ass off. Yeah. Definitely got some knowledge.
I ain't never done no shit like this before.
Now when we build another one, we know how to do it nicer.
Charge some money.
Yes, sir.
There it is.
It's like a big remote control car.
Like a robot.
Shit, that got sketchy there for a second. The chain a little sketchy.
Because the floor is a little wet.
Whoa, honey.
It's sliding.
Push it.
You ain't pushing this.
No, the button.
Is it dying on you?
Blake's gonna get a hemorrhoid.
Hold on, something's going on.
It's dying? You don't like anything.
Hold on, it's turned.
You're almost on the flat surface.
Holy shit, brother. Still freaking out.
They don't like it.
Oh, there we go.
They had us in the first half.